손가락질 해. This letter ends with and this letter starts with g. So if you were to read this letter and that letter alone, it would be pronounced as 손, 가. However, because there is an ending consonant and a beginning consonant, it ends up pronouncing with 가. So instead of 손가락질, I pronounce it 손가락질. 손가락질 해. 손 means hand. 손가락 means fingers. 손가락질 해. 해 means do, and 손가락질 means pointing fingers at. So here you can assume pronouns, and when you read the next few lyrics, you realize, okay, this means pointing fingers at me, and you can assume pronouns as to who is pointing fingers. So you could say, they point fingers at me, or you point fingers at me, or you can also translate as, are you pointing fingers at me? ulsoo, jota. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something about how I pronounce jota. If you read the letters by itself, it's jota. However, when it's together, you're mixing the sound of this consonant, H sound, and then sound of this consonant, D sound, and it turns into a T sound. So when you're pronouncing it together, it pronounces jota instead of jota. So ulsoo, jota. Jota means good, and ulsoo is an expression. It's an expression used when you're dancing or storytelling, and it sort of magnifies the word following it. So here, ulsoo, jota. Jota means good, but because there's ulsoo that's magnifying the word jota, it becomes like it's awesome or it's great. It feels wonderful. Just magnifies the word jota. 지화자 좋다. It's also 지화자 is also very similar to ulsoo in a way where you say it when you're dancing and you're having fun and you want to express how wonderful it is. And also 지화자 좋다, you can say it when the country is stable, there's peace within the country. And you can also say this word when you're playing a traditional Korean game, and let's say you're winning and you want to say, oh, that's awesome, I'm winning. You could say 지화자 좋다. You can stop.